everybody, this is Odessa here with eXp Realty, here with a tour of a Moon Valley home with the most gorgeous galley kitchen I've ever seen. And I'll tell you what, galley kitchens, not typically my favorite, but this one I really love. For this price point, it is absolutely amazing. So without further delay, let's go take a look. All right, so here we are beginning our tour outside as you come to the house, as most tours do. Anyway, this home is in the Moon Valley community. This is a great neighborhood, definitely conveniently located in the valley, and you have mountains all around. So when you're in Moon Valley, there are hiking trails that are going to be just a few minute drive away from North Mountain, Shaw Butte, Lookout Mountain. They're all right here. And there's a really good sense of community here. Coming up on the holiday season, you'll find people with decorating contests, putting out Christmas lights, sitting outside, out front, having friends and family over, hanging out in the courtyard, saying hello to their neighbors. It is really unique about this community and one of the things that makes it really special. And then also, I don't know if you can see it here, in the background, mountains right there. We can't see the ones on the other side. You can hike up those, which is a lot of fun. So starting out, let's take a look at what we have with this home. When I walk in, one of the first things that I notice is that this floor plan has been completely opened up. We have vaulted ceilings. We've got nice wide baseboards throughout the property. You have a gorgeous tile marble fireplace and new wood look vinyl floors. That's fantastic. I can see the light in here is fantastic. And there is a lot of room. So let's start going down here and take a look at the dining room, which is behind me. That banquet table they have here, they have 10 chairs at that table, and they're not even squished together. There is a ton of room in this dining room with a nice big window that goes right out to the front yard. Coming down the hallway, we have our first bedroom that is out front. So this bedroom has a nice modern ceiling fan. It has been completed with the same wood look flooring that's throughout the house, as well as those nice wide baseboards. And they also have, surprise, surprise, a walk-in closet. Love a walk-in closet in the guest rooms. Also nice wide wood look blinds. Then coming into our guest bathroom, this bathroom has also been fully remodeled. We've got this gorgeous gray subway tile, a nice little nook. They even put the detail of having this little metal trim here, which is really nice. When you leave that out, you end up with kind of unfinished edges and things like that. And I love the tile on the floor in that bathroom as well. Brand new vanity, sink, countertops, all matched throughout the house, which is awesome. So here we're walking into the second bedroom. This bedroom has a window that goes out to the side yard. Okay, here we are now in the master suite, or the primary bedroom as we like to call it nowadays. So you've got the same gorgeous modern ceiling fan. You have double French doors that go out to the back patio, and you also have, of course, another walk-in closet. Now this one also has a fully remodeled bathroom, which is also, I love the palette in this house. It's a nice soft gray. You have white cabinetry. You have your matching marble with that pale, like just a soft white, and this beautiful vein going through it. It's throughout both of the bathrooms and the kitchen, which I told you was amazing. And we are going to get to the kitchen in just a minute. So when we came in the front door, we walked directly over to the bedrooms, but I didn't get to show you the living room and family room. So this is an open concept floor plan. So it's kind of like that great room. So behind us over here, you have the living room area where you've got your couch, your TV, etc. And then you also have a family room, a little quieter area. This is just off the kitchen. So you also have this gorgeous fireplace over here, which is all redone with marble tile, really nice hearth, great sitting area, and it is a wood burning fireplace. So happy holidays. You can go out and get your fireplace going with that natural wood, and just, I love the crackle and the smell of a wood burning fireplace. It's so nice. Let's go ahead and take a look outside.
All right, stepping out into the backyard, we have a covered patio area and also a beautiful sun deck. So you've got your covered patio there, has a ceiling fan, so you've got a little shaded area. And then you also have this patio area here, which is perfect for a table and chairs area. And then you have your little sun deck for lounging with your pavers and your lounge chairs that overlooks the pool and this gorgeous view that we have behind the pool as well. And this property also has low maintenance landscaping and an RV gate, so you have a place to store your toys. So the backyard, as we come over here, has artificial grass. So you have a nice grassy area. And then as you go around the side, you have your RV gate and RV parking. Now, right now they do have a shed over here. So you can get in a smaller RV, but if you wanted to get in something bigger, you can just go ahead and move that shed to another location. And I mentioned at the beginning that the kitchen was awesome. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, because you want to see the kitchen in this house. So let's go back inside and check out the kitchen. Now, I am going to give you a quick look behind me at this kitchen. It is huge. This kitchen has to be like 30 foot long. So you have these gorgeous countertops throughout the kitchen. You can be sitting here cooking. Fireplace is behind you. Nice big sink, single basin, looks out over the grassy area in the backyard. You have really big pantry cabinets, and this one even has your washer and dryer right there inside, which is next to your garage and the pantry cabinet as well, where you can store all your goodies. There is a ton of room in here. So what you have to remember about kitchens is when they open up the shelving and they take out, so you have upper cabinets here on the one side, but then on the other side of this kitchen, you actually don't have upper cabinets, which makes the kitchen feel so much bigger and brighter and open. You have these couple shelves to put out kind of your nice cookware or drinkware or whatever, but it does reduce your space. So having that pantry cabinet, having cabinets on the other side by the stove, and also having upper cabinets here at the end of the kitchen are all a bonus, because then you still have a lot of that storage. And you also have to remember, I mean, look at how long this kitchen is. All the way, let's go, all the way down here. You've got all these extra cabinets underneath that this house wouldn't have had when the kitchen was originally built. And of course, there's even a little one fridge. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and to get a list of our preferred homes in the Moon Valley community, click the link below.